The patients with acute low back pain, we know what to do with them and how to treat them, but the patients with chronic low back pain, there are those other factors that we don't understand as well. Chronic low back pain is one of the problems that need a very large multidisciplinary team of researchers to understand what is going on with these patients. This grant is to try to characterize or phenotype patients with chronic low back pain, those patients that have pain for a long time, that bothers them a lot, and try to understand what are the characteristics of those patients, why some patients respond to particular treatments while others not, and so that we can find better ways to treat them. We are experts in musculoskeletal system, and as a consequence we have learned a lot about chronic low back pain, and we have decades of experience both treating and doing research with this population. So it's so important to be part of this bigger group of investigators that are trying to understand the mechanism behind low back pain, chronic low back pain. The goal is to help patients, and I think it is a great opportunity to be able to help patients in a very significant way.